Good morning, my dear children, and welcome back. Today we'll begin our session with the second topic from our textbook, The Little Bird. Children, you see different varieties of birds flying, fluttering, and hopping around you every day. So here's a story of a little bird. Let's see what happens in the story. It was a rainy day and the grass was green. So Joe, Bir, Mahi, and Anu were inside the house. They were getting bored. Joe asked his friends what they would do all day. Mahi sadly said that they could not even go out to play. Suddenly, a bird came from somewhere inside their house. Bear saw the little bird and was excited. Joe said that they should keep the bird in a box. Anu did not like the idea. She said that they should not do that because the bird would be sad. Bear opened the window and the bird hopped out. It stopped raining outside and the sun was shining in the blue sky. The bird happily flew to a big tree. The bird started singing. It said that he loved the little children. It also said that he loved the green trees, flowers, and sunshine. After the little bird stopped singing, the children said that they loved the little bird too.